Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, good morning. It's a wonderful morning. Yeah, I think you will have a good day. Okay, we will start with the operators topic today. So, going to operators in C language. Okay, operators in C language. It must be a good day. See, when we talk about operators, directly I'm going to the topic. So, when we talk about operators, so, for example, in C language, we declare int a equal to 10. A is a variable, int is the data type, and 10 is the value. Int b equal to 20. So, we write C equal to a plus b. When we want to add two values, I store 10 in a, 20 in b. I add the two values and store in another variable C. So 10 plus 20, 30 will be stored in C. So this C equal to A plus B I am writing. So this equal to is an operator assignment. We are assigning the value of A plus B to C. So here we call A and B. Okay, we call A and B as operands. Okay, the technical word is we call it as operands. And we have plus. Okay, this plus is the operator. This plus is the operator, addition operator. So we call it as operator, which is nothing but addition operator. Yeah, hi. So we this is the addition operator. There are two operands coming. So based on number of operands, we can divide the operator. Okay, based on number of operands, we can divide the operator into unary, binary, and ternary operator. Binary and ternary. As the name tells, unary means it operates on only one operand. So it operates on only one operand. That is unary operator. Binary, it operates on two operand. It operates on two operand. Same way, ternary, it operates on three operand. Three operand. So that is the way we can divide the operator into unary, binary, and ternary based on the number of operands. This is about operator. So operator now you know. You would have already performed addition, subtraction, multiplication, all are operator only. So we can divide into unary, binary, and ternary. Now unary. So whenever there is only one operand, we call it as unary operator. So we have increment and we have decrement operator. Unary increment, unary decrement. When it comes to pre-increment, it is plus plus of a. When it comes to post increment, we call it a plus plus. These are unary operands. Similarly, decrement, we have pre-decrement minus minus of a, and then we have post decrement a minus minus. Only one operand is coming. So these comes under unary operator. We have pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement. This is about unary operator. We will see later in later tutorial a brief thing. Binary operator it operands on two operand. A plus B is there are two operands coming. It comes under binary operator where we have arithmetic operator. We have arithmetic operator. First is multiplication, division, modulus. and second is addition, subtraction. We have arithmetic operator, we have relational operator, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. And then we have logical operator. In logical operator, we have logical and logical or and logical not. Then we have bitwise operator. Under bitwise operator, we have bitwise and bitwise or XR, right shift, left shift, and negate. And then we have assignment, assignment operator. Assignment operator, we also call it as compound assignment. Why? It will have two. It has to perform two types of operation. Plus equal to. First, it will perform addition and then assign. Minus equal to. Subtraction assign. Multiplication equal to. Modulus equal to. So these we call it as assignment operator. So these are the binary operator. Ternary operator, we have question mark followed by colon. Three operands will be coming, and we also call it as conditional operator. We also call it as conditional operator. Before question mark, there will be a condition. If the condition is true, question mark will be evaluated. If condition is false, colon will be evaluated. This has three operands. So we call it as ternary operator. And some special operator. Some special operator in C language. Some special operator in C language. See, we have comma operator. Okay, sometimes we use comma. We have comma operator, and we have size of operator, and then we have, see, when you use pointers you will be using and to get the address, star for value, dot operator, pointer to the structure operator. These are special operators in C language we have. So this is about operators. Okay, so operator is going to perform some operation. So we have unary, binary, and ternary. Now we'll see the operator one by one. Before going to operator, we have data types in C language. So how to print the size? So I use hash include stdio.h. I use int main. Okay, we have four data types in C language. One is int, another one is character, another is float, another is double. I've used four data types with, I've declared four variables. Now I want to print the size. So size of integer is, I use the format specifier percentage key and escape sequence slash n. So as I told, we have size of operator. You can either give size of int or size of a. Both are correct. And then size of character is percentage key slash n comma size of v. Size of float is, all are integers only, so I use percentage d. In size of, either you can use int or the variable a. Both are correct. So size of C. So printf size of double is, for double I use the data type double. That is the use of size of operator. So I save the program as size of operator dot c. So the code name is size of operator dot c. I use min.gw compiler. So gcc size of operator dot c. It has compiled, no error. I am executing my code. So integer is 4 byte. It is 32-bit compiler. So size of integer is 4 byte. If you use 16-bit compiler, size will be 2 byte for integer. 32-bit compiler 4 byte. Character is 1 byte ASCII. All your keyboard characters will be mapped to ASCII value. Float is 4, double is 8. All are in bytes, 8 bytes. So these are the size of each and every data type. Okay, so size of operator, you can get the size. Later, when you go, you will be creating union and structure. When you want to find the size of structure or union, you can use this size of operator. That is about size of operator. Now, when I wrote the size of all data types, now what is the range of values that will be stored in each and every data type? So that we want to see. So I give printf range of characters for characters minimum, what is the value it can store, and maximum what is the value you can store. So we have for this macro. Okay, so character underscore min is the macro to get minimum value that can be stored in character. Now, will it compile? My question is, will it compile? We have got in C language two many macros we have. One is character min, one is character max. Will it print? My question. I am saving this program. Save as range in C.C. So our program name is range in C.C. It's throwing error. Character min undeclared. First use in this function. That means to use this, I have to include the header file. So what header file to use? So we have one header file called limits.h. In this, these values are defined. So to use character min and character max, I have to include the header file limits.h. Let's check whether it is correct. It is correct. So minimum character is 1 byte. So the minimum value it can store is minus 128 and maximum value it can store is 127. So what will happen? I declare a character C. I give 129. Now what will happen? Will it throw error or will it compile? So it will compile. Sure, it will compile, it will not throw error. But what will be the value of C? So printf C equal to percentage d slash n comma C and print. Program compiles. If I exit the range, it won't throw error, it will compile, it will execute. But what value it will show is my question. It is showing minus 127. So it will be in a circle. Okay, the value will be in a circle. Okay, so here 127 and the next value is minus 128. 128. So what value I gave? I gave 129. So it is showing 127. So when we exit the range, we get we program will compile, program will run, we will get undesired result. So when I give 129, so after 127 it is 0 and then it is going to 120, sorry, minus 128 and then it is going to minus 127. So it will be in circle and what value is at that place it will be considered. It won't be garbage value, but what value is in that position will be considered. But minimum value it can store is minus 128 and maximum value it can store is 127. Why 127 means 0 also considered as one positive value. Now this is about range of characters. How about integer? What is the integer is 4 byte. Okay, so range of integer is minimum is percentage t and maximum. What is this? For this we have int min and int max. Okay, so it will be minus 2 147 478 643. We'll just check it. So it is minus 2 147 483 648 to 2 147 483 647. 0 also one positive value. So that is the minimum and maximum value an integer can store. Now range of float is, see, for float I use percentage g. Percentage g to print exponential value. So we have FLT underscore min and FLT underscore max. See again, for character and min, I used limits.h header file. For float, will the same header file work? We'll just check it. We'll get error. Again, it is telling FLT min and FLT max undeclared. First use in this function. So for using this, I use one more header file called float.h. I save it. For FLT min and FLT max, I include the header file float.h and I use percentage g since it is exponential value. Can you see? To print this exponential value, I am using percentage g format specifier. So the minimum value in float is 1.17 e power minus 38 and maximum is I used percentage g. So percentage it is 34, okay? 34 e power 38. So 3.4 e power plus 38 is the maximum value you can store. This is about range of values each data type can store. And we saw the Sizeof operator. Now we'll go to arithmetic operator. See, addition, subtraction, you know. There is nothing much to learn. Okay, so we will concentrate on division and modulus operator. So division returns quotient and modulus returns remainder. We all know. Okay, so I give printf minus 5 by 5 equal to percentage d slash n comma. To evaluate an expression, we can use brackets. Okay, to make it as an expression, I use bracket. So this will be evaluated and return result will be printed minus 5 by 5. So you all know minus 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 1. Even minus 5 by 5 or 5 by minus 5 percentage d slash n comma 5 by minus 5 both are answer is minus 1. If I give printf minus 5 by minus, it should be 0. No, no, no. Percentage d slash n comma minus 5 by minus 5, the result is 1. I give printf 7 by 4. 4 ones are 4. This is also 1. Okay, so you all know 7 by 4 is also 1. And okay, printf 0 by 5, it is 0. We know. Anything by 0 is infinite and it will throw error. So I'm not going into it. So I save as, so I give arithmetic division operator dots arithmetic division operator dot c. I save it arithmetic division operator dot c. So minus 5 by 5 is minus 1, 5 by minus 5, only quotient we get. 5 ones are 5, minus 1. 5 by minus 5, minus 1. Minus 5 by minus 5, 1. 7 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 1. 0 by 5, 0. Don't perform anything by 0. We will get error. It is infinite, we know. So now we will get error. Anything divided by 0 is infinite. So we get warning only we get. You can suppress warning, but as of now we'll remove it. This is about division operator which returns the quotient. Now going to modulus operator. See, there is something speciality with modulus operator. Okay, we'll directly print it. Same like here. See, printf I give 6 by 6 modulus 5. You know what is 6 modulus 5? 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5, 1 is the result. So 5 divided by 6, we get 1 as quotient and remainder what we get? 5 ones are 5. So remainder we get 6 minus 5, 1. So the answer is 1. You all know. Similarly, I give printf. What is 6 modulus minus 6 modulus 5? What will be the answer? Minus 6 modulus 5. It will be minus 1. We will see. Okay, what is 6 modulus minus 5? What is 6 modulus minus 5? So the answer will be 1. Y means in modulus operator, in modulus operator result retains numerator symbol. So what is numerator symbol? That will be retained in the result. Numerator negative, result also negative. Numerator positive, result also positive. It doesn't consider denominator. So in modulus operator, result retains numerator symbol. You can directly tell. It gives the remainder, but result retains numerator symbol. What is minus 5 modulus 6? What is minus 5 modulus 6? You will think 0. Okay, 6 minus 5. You may assume it as 0, but the answer is result when when numerator is less than denominator. When numerator less than denominator, result is numerator. So when numerator less than denominator, result is numerator. What is result? 5. And result retains numerator symbol, the first point. So it is minus 5. Okay, if it is 5 modulus minus 6, it will be 5. So printf, if it is 5 modulus minus 6, then it will be 5. Numerator less than denominator, result is numerator. And result retains numerator symbol. So 5. That's it. As of now, you have learned the arithmetic modulus operator. So arithmetic modulus operator. That's it. So we get I think that modulus is giving some mistake. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and then minus 5, 5. That is about modulus operator. 6 modulus 5, you know 5 ones are 5, remainder is 1, 1. Minus 6 modulus 5, remainder is 1. Result retains numerator symbol, so minus 1. 6 modulus minus 5, remainder is 1, and result retains numerator symbol, so plus 1. Minus 5 modulus 6, when numerator less than denominator, result is numerator, and result retains numerator symbol, minus 5. Now one more question. Can we use modulus operator on float values? So I use hash include stdio.h. I give into main. Can we use modulus on float? So I give float a equal to some 6.0. Same value we use. B equal to 5.0. I give float c equal to a modulus b. Now I give printf c equal to percentage f slash n comma c float. So I am using percentage f. Since it's float, I'm using percentage. Will this program compile? Modulus on float. That's see in C language I am asking, not in other. Java it will compile. Modulus will work on float in Java, but in C language modulus cannot be used on float value. So we'll get error. Now how to find? So modulus on float.c. We get error. Invalid operands to binary modulus have float and float. So we can't use the operator for float values. It's complaining the operands are float and modulus cannot work on float. Now I want the remainder for float. I cannot use the operator. In that case, we have we have fmod function. Fmod function in math.h header file, which gives remainder for float values. Directly you can't use operator, but you can use fmod function. Fmod of a comma b. And what header file we have to use? Hash include float.h header file we have to use. Now I save it. We will compile it and see. Warning. Why error? Equal to percentage. Not float.h, math.h. You could have told me. Yeah. It is math.h. Save it. We got 6 modulus 5 is 1. If I give minus 6, then we should get minus 1, as we have learned. GCC modulus on float.c. So we got minus 1. If it is 6 by minus 5, we should get 1. We got 1. That is about modulus operator. Now, when it comes to arithmetic operator, so we'll see operator precedence. See, when it comes to arithmetic operator, first precedence first precedence is given to multiplication, division, modulus. Okay. Then second precedence is given to addition, subtraction. And if all operator comes, then precedence precedence is from left to right. For example, I give hash include stdio.h. I give int main. I give integer a equal to 5 modulus minus 6 plus 8 by 4 into minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 5 plus 6 I am giving. Now I am printing the value of without executing. Can you tell me what will be the answer? So first precedence to multiplication, division, modulus. So from left to right, evaluate all multiplication, division, modulus first. So from left to right, we have to evaluate all matter. So what is our expression? So first from left to right, we have 5 modulus minus 6. When numerator less than denominator, result is numerator and result retains numerator symbol. So 5 plus 8 by 4 into minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2 plus 5 plus 6. So we have 5 plus 8 by 4. It is 2. Quotient we will get. 4 twos are 8. So 8 by 4 is 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 plus 6. Now A equal to 5 plus, we have 2 into minus 2. So it will be minus 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 5 plus 6. So we have 5 minus 4 plus 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 1. So we get 1 plus 5 plus 6. So we have now we evaluated all modulus, division, multiplication from left to right. Again from left to right, all addition, subtraction. What is 5 minus 4? 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6. What is 1 plus 1? It is 2 plus 5 plus 6. What is 2 plus 5? 7 plus 6. What is 7 plus 6? 13 we should get as answer. So we'll save it as arithmetic operator precedence dot C. So operator precedence we are seeing. I save it, compile, run. Arithmetic operator precedence dot C. So we got 13 as our answer. So from left to right, evaluate all modulus, division, multiplication. Again from left to right, addition, subtraction. What answer you get is the result. This is arithmetic operator precedence. Rest of the operator will continue in next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Any questions you can mail to Arun Kumar at the rate. Any questions or queries you can mail to Arun Kumar at knowYva.com. Yeah, thanks. Thanks.